Alright guys, so it's time to hit the range. We gotta reshoot a couple guns that we didn't, the video we lost the footage of, and we gotta hurry up because I don't see cloud in the sky right now, but it's a 70% chance of rain in like 3 hours. So we gotta hurry up because I don't know if it's gonna rain or not. So first we gotta stop, get us something to drink, get some Gatorade, and you know, I'm starting a tradition. I am gonna eat me a slice of pizza every time I go to the range. I don't know why, but last time we ate some pizza from Casey's, the convenience store, and they got some great pizza. So we're gonna get some pizza and get some Gatorade and head to the range. See you there. Back to the AK. Ooh, this thing is hot. It's hot out here today. I'm sweating. I'm about to die. But this is not sighted in at all. I just took it off the other one. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and take this off. And we're just gonna run irons, see where they are at. Even though this is my target, so I don't really know where it's gonna be hitting. Let's see where she's at. A little low, but then again, I'm like 10 yards. Ooh, this thing's hot. 18 round magged up. Oh, still got one round. There we go. Whew. I like this a lot. So every time I come out to the range, I always get at least one mag out of your EDC just to stay familiar with it. So let's just go ahead and get, I think this is I have 16 rounds in here, so let's just have fun with it. Woo, you saw that jerk? I anticipated it. Not bad at all. Whew. I gotta get this on video though. I appreciate it. All right. What's your name, sir? Michael. Michael is graciously let us use his SCAR. I've always wondered where it is, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a couple rounds. This thing is awesome. Oh my God. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Oh. Yeah, I want one. Okay, I get a couple more. It doesn't kick as much as I thought it would.
No, they're smooth.
I like this a lot. It's on safe. This thing's awesome. I appreciate that. Yo, major shout out to THOR gun range. This is the gun range I go to. Gretchen, you're freaking awesome. I love you. Michael, thank you so much for letting me shoot my first FN SCAR. That thing is tacked out. It's beautiful. Shout out to you, Michael. We got to shoot today. We got to shoot the AK. We got the KR 103. We got to shoot the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 metal. That's a mouthful. I'm just gonna say the 2.0 metal from now on. The PSA dagger, and brought a couple of my guns you've already seen. We just, you know what I'm saying, played around. You'll see the footage. But yo, thank you guys so much for liking, following, sharing, all that good stuff. Thank you guys. Hit that supporter button or subscribe button. I forget which platform I'm on because I share it to so many platforms. But yo, shout out to you guys. Thank you guys so much. It's hot, but it's also about to rain. So I'm gonna get out of here, finish my Gatorade. You guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next short.